Hey, what's up guys, Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today we're taking a look at some more items from Carved. So, if you didn't know, Carved is a relatively to us local company, and they make some really awesome, very high quality, handcrafted items, and the coolest part is every single one is unique. So, we're getting today to look at the classic bracelet in dark green, the everyday carry pocket knife in green, and then the traveler case in black and white for the iPhone Pro Max 14 in our case, but you can get it for many other phones. So I've actually been wearing this bracelet right here since the last time we worked with Carved, and that was over a year ago, and I've literally never taken it off. I've worn this thing every single day since I got it, and it's a really cool, if I remember right, possibly titanium with some resin and then some wood essentially, but very custom, no two look the same, and yeah, it's finally reaching the point where I think it's getting ready to break soon, but the best part though is you can always just replace the cordage, so I'm definitely going to look into doing that because I think I might end up giving one to my girlfriend or something like that, but I'm excited to check out the new items today so that then I don't have to worry about replacing this band right now. But yeah, pretty crazy that I shower with this thing every day, swim in pools, oceans, go out in the sun. I work on cars and stuff a lot. It's gotten snagged, it's gotten caught on things, and it's never broken or really done me wrong. So I think we should go ahead and start probably with, we'll do the phone case first. So first of all, you get this really cool carrying case, and it's very nice, kind of like a fabric material. Kind of reminds me of like a burlap, I guess is what it would be, like a sack material. So pulling out this case, right off the bat, you get this really nice cushioned, almost like a microfiber, because of course the back of most phones these days are glass or really high-end metals like titanium and stuff like that. So naturally you want to try to keep this stuff from getting scratched. So yeah, that's really nice. It feels like it'd be very shock resistant and everything. And once again, this is a one-off design. That's really, you're probably going to hear me say that a lot, but that's one of the best parts about Carved is, yes, you are going to be paying, you know, a pretty good price for a lot of their stuff, but they're all one-off. No one's going to have one just like you. So you can see we got our volume rocker and everything, our power button. All that looks really nice. Nice big cutout for the big 3 or 4 cameras that most new phones have these days. We have speaker cutouts and then charging cutout. But yeah, really good quality. I'll actually have to have Matt, you know, kind of demo his phone for a little bit since I don't personally have an iPhone, but yeah, this thing looks really nice. When you get the light just right, you get a nice little shine to it too, because of course these do typically have some sort of finish over them to kind of keep them protected, but really beautiful wood inlay as well. And if you're wondering, no, you can't really feel the transition much. You can kind of feel like a slight difference in the material, but other than that, nothing major. It's definitely not going to snag or anything like that. So really nice looking case. Like I said, we'll demo that in just a bit here. Now, continuing to the tradition, we have another kind of burlap style material, and man, I'm loving this bag. This one is just so cool looking, and once again, we get the Carved logo. Now, this should be our bracelet. Oh yeah, that's a nice little sticker. We'll definitely put that somewhere in our office. So go ahead and put that stuff off to the side, and our Carved bracelet. Once again, I love the whole idea behind, like, you know, this is basically like mimicking a wood grain. Definitely really nice looking. It's actually not too far off, honestly, from my original bracelet, but once again, you know, they're all custom. This was probably, might have even been the same bracelet. It might have just been green, as they call it, and look how different they are, because like I said, you're not going to get any two that are the same. And it does look like the design might have slightly changed from the last time I got it. This one I think has a little bit more dimension to it, like the wood and everything sticks out a little bit. This one is very flush, definitely a little more flat. So yeah, I think they've changed the design a little bit since then, but nothing too major. One thing I think that's cool is almost everything I think has like batch numbers on it, so you can actually see probably like when it was made, and I'm sure for them to do like warrantying and stuff, you know, it's really nice to have that. So you can see a lot of the wax on mine has kind of worn off, but they get almost like this wax or oil cover, which helps them, I believe, to be water resistant. Designed for the outdoor, CNC machined aluminum housing. Like I said, I thought this one was titanium. It might just be the knife that I'm thinking of as titanium, but anyways, one of a kind inlay, wax cord with adjustable knot, unique serial number, knots adjust to any size. And sorry if I read anything from this way, I'm just trying to actually better read stuff. All right, well, I guess for now, we'll just throw this one in the other hand. Yeah, really easy to adjust to. You basically just kind of pull, and yeah, pretty simple to use. And then when you want to tighten it, basically just take this, and I just use one hand, kind of grab both knots, and you just pull just like that. And boom, look at that. We we got somewhat matching bands. These look really nice. Definitely very premium quality, really good feeling. Like I said, I don't really wear bracelets. It's the only thing I've been wearing, as you can see, for, like I said, over a year now. So I do want to get to probably my favorite part of companies that make really premium items like this, when you get into the really good usable items. And something like this pocket knife is definitely going to be very usable. They call this the everyday carry, keep it on you. Of course, it's a pocket knife, so you do get a really, really durable pocket clip. I really like these because they're essentially like all a one-piece design. So as you can see, even the safety or the release is like one piece. So when you open it, to release it, you just push that safety over just like this. But yeah, this pocket knife right here is, once again, kind of like the green design. It actually almost kind of matches this, but the pocket knife definitely has some really nice shiny tones to it. I'm just trying to get the light to bounce off of it just right. And I'll go ahead and open it up. You do get a Damascus style finish on the knife blade, so that looks really sweet. Yeah, super premium knife. I mean, these things are pretty expensive, but I think it's for good reason. Whenever you want a really good quality knife, something that's going to last a while, you definitely want something like this. And the fact that this one, like I said, it's a mostly one-piece design. It is very much all metal, and it's very high quality metal at that. So these pocket knives are once again, everyday carry. They're titanium handles, Damascus stainless steel blade, and a wood and resin inlay. Super sweet. Basically, you get the wood, you get the resin, so it's like a epoxy resin of sorts that, they can mix with all different kinds of colors, and no matter what you buy, you're gonna get different swirls and whatnot. And then with wood, you're gonna get all different kinds of, you can almost call them imperfections, but really I think it's the opposite. You're gonna get, burls, knots, different grains, different patterns, different types of wood. So you're definitely gonna get the best of every world. And as far as carrying goes, you just clip it to the side of your pocket or the side of your belt, whatever. But it is definitely a very strong handle, and I think even like the screws, they use a really, really small, I believe that'd be a Torx bit, and yeah, they look like those are even pretty high quality, probably stainless or something along those lines. So yeah, knife's super nice as well. All right, guys, so he's got the iPhone. This is the Pro Max 14. Let's see how it fits. Does it fit like a glove? Okay, so pretty nice. So what type of, I'm curious, as far as the glass goes, do we have a little bit of a lip there, or is it pretty flush?
It's a decent little lip. It's not crazy, but I mean, like, compared to my other phone case, it was about the same. This is like one of those speed-in cases.
Okay, cool. So you do get a little bit of protection on the screen, and then obviously the rest of the phone you're gonna get a whole lot of protection on, so it looks pretty nice. Does it fit pretty well? Like, not super loose or anything?
I like the grips on the side. It has like the actual textured grip, so you don't go, oh, put your phone on the ground. But
yeah, that wouldn't be good.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's really nice. Well, alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. Of course, if you did, make sure you check out Toasty Clips and obviously Toasty Bros. And also give Carved a check. I mean, they have all kinds of really cool stuff on their website. They might have the perfect gift, especially with, holidays like Christmas and people's birthdays and whatnot. They definitely have something for everyone, in my opinion. And yeah, whether you're going out and exploring and you need something like a knife or whatever, or you're just kind of a, urban city person and you want a really nice phone case, they definitely have something for everyone. See you guys later. Peace out.